Hi, welcome to Automation Forge. I'm a 6+ years of industrial automation specialist, currently working in the same industry. So we'll like to explain you today the basics of industrial automation. So what is industrial automation? Industrial automation means using technologies like PLC, programmable logic controllers, SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, and DCS, the distributed control systems, to automatically operate and monitor industrial machines and processes without much interventions. Instead of worker manually operating every switch or valve, the controller takes input from the sensors, processes it, and sends the commands to the actuators, perform the action automatically. इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशन का अगर सिंपल मतलब अगर हम लोग समझेंगे, सो मशीन एंड प्रोसेस को ऑटोमेटिकली चलाना। पहले ऑपरेटर मैनुअली स्विच या वल्व ऑपरेट करता था, लेकिन अब पीएलसी और स्काडा सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली डिसीजन लेता है, सेंसर्स डाटा देता है, कंट्रोलर प्रोसेस करता है और एक्चुएटर उसके हिसाब से काम करता है। सो ऐसे हम लोग एक सिंपल डेफिनेशन को समझ सकते हैं, द बेसिक ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशन। सो अभी हम लोग की कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ऑटोमेशन को देखेंगे। तो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि सेंसर्स रहता है, फील्ड डिवाइसेस, लाइक द फील्ड डिवाइसेस और सेंसर्स फील्ड से डेटा उठाता है, देन वो कंट्रोलर्स को देता है। सेकंड पॉइंट इज कंट्रोलर लाइक पीएलसी, डीसीएस, प्रोजेक्ट डाटा एंड मेक डिसीजंस. So these controllers take the data from the sensors and field devices, and as per the data, the controller processes it. And through the here, our third point is human machine interface (HMI), operator display and controls. Through all the sensors of the field devices, data is captured from the to the controllers. Controller process as per our logic, and human machine interface shows the sensors datas, and we can execute it we can execute it the command from our HMI, and as per our command the logic will process, and actuators and motors as the output that will run. So there are some field instruments like the pressure transmitters, temperature transmitters, RTD, the flow meters, etc. Then the PLC, DCS, like that. We will explain all the PLC, DCS of the all make, like the Schneider, Siemens, Yokogawa, Omron, Mitsubishi, Rockwell. Everything we will explain one by one. So this is a human interface machine. So automations का some हम लोग examples we can explain the real life scenarios. Some they are using in the car factories case, in assembly lines, like when the car is manufacturing, the robotic hands are working execute the operation. So they are also using the PLC SCADA systems. The water treatment plants are using the automations. Oil and gas is vast level of the automation are using, because without the automation oil and gas industry cannot run. So next, power plants also using for the high voltage systems, through the automation systems, SCADA HMI can monitor the systems. There are some benefits of automation because our industry experiencing they invest their lots of money in the automation industry, so they want some outputs from the industry. So that is the output. We can explain that the productivity increases. If we know a simple math that one man can do a job that will take 10 days. If the 10 day and the 10 workers are doing the job, that will take the very less time. So we can explain that the automation is same. If one man do the work in the 10 days, automation through the automation that will complete in 1 days or the half days, because we can give the productivity increase through the automation. that is reduce the human errors, because machine cannot do the errors, because we are preparing the machine and we precisely tested before executed in the industry level. So their errors are very less. Improve the safety systems also, because uh, that is more safety, because that is a very precise system in the industrial automation, so their accident is very less. Better quality control, our final output product are very good product, final output are coming. So there is a more advantages in the automation. So that is our very minimum and simple video to the introduction of the industrial automation. um, After that we'll create the new videos on the field instruments. We'll show the different mix of PLC industry level, like the communication protocols, network protocols, and all those things. Our further videos will come in our Automation Force channel. So we will request you to subscribe our channel to get the more videos. Thank you very much.